Hello student, we are going to complete our left question G part. 2 divided by, it is given in mixed fraction form, we have to simply in simple fraction form. 2 4 ja 8, 8 and 1 9. We can say is 2 divided by 9 by 4, but 2 don't have any denominator, so we have write as 1. 2 by 1 convert into multiply, and the fraction will be convert. Denominator becomes numerator and numerator become denominator. Now 2 cannot cancel by 9, 9 cannot be cancelled by 4 or 2 anyone, so we have to direct multiply. 2 4 ja 8, 1 9 ja 9, so fraction becomes 8 by 9. Come to the next question. It is also given in mixed fraction form. 2 3 ja 6, 6 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 by denominator remains same, so it becomes 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 8. 7 by 2 into function will be reverse, 8 by 7. 7 cancel by 7, 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. 2 4 ja 8. The fraction will 1 4 ja 4, 1 1 ja 1. 1 write as your wish or not, but the function will be remain 4. Now compare the given fractions greater than, less than or equal symbols. In this form, that is numerator and below is denominator, so multiply 7 into 4 and 7 into 8. Numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator, and the numerator is 7, so right is here for this fraction. Numerator is 7, right is here for the fraction. Okay, and multiply with the cancellation number of their fraction form. 7 4 ja 28, 7 8 ja 56. Now 28 is less than or 56 is less than? I know the 28 is less than and 56 is greater than. The symbol will be open on that side in which side is greater. Okay student, the greater number have the open side of the symbol and the less number is remain only point side. Okay, so in this symbol we have to write 7 by 8 less than 7 by 4. Okay student, now come to the next question. 10 by 12, 6 by 12. Now the again we can say the denominator are same, so 6 by 12, 10 by 12, we can simply say 10 by 12 is greater because it have 10 parts, it have only 6 part. Now again we can show is the other method. 10 into this 10 into 12, 6 into 12, 10 into 12 means 120, 6 into 12 72. We know that 72 is less than and 120 is bigger, so the open sided will remain in the bigger side and the point side will remain at the small side, so we should write as here 10 by 12 greater than 6 by 12. Okay student, now come to this next question. It is given in a mixed form, so we have to simply is 2 5 ja 10 or 3, 10 plus 3 13 by 5, and it also 13 by 5, so the fraction form are equal, so we should write as here equal form. Now again, next question. In this form, it is given in mixed fraction form. 3 6 ja 18, 18 or 22, 18 plus 4, 3 into 6 plus 4 by 6, 3 6 ja 18, 18 plus 22, 18 plus 4 is equal to 22 by 6. Now convert is 2, 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 5, 12 plus 5 by 6, it means 17 by 6. We can say, right, because both the numerator are same, so 22 is greater than. The other method we can say 22 into 6, 17 into 6. We know that the 22 is greater than, so the symbol will come greater than. Now come to the next question. E, 1 by 9 and 1 by 4. Multiply the both. 1 multiply 4 and 1 multiply this numerator 9. 1 multiply 9. It means 4 and 9. Who is greater? 9 is greater. So 9 will have the open sided. It means 1 by 9 less than 1 by 4. Come to the next question. 5 by 6. Similarly, we have to write as in the numerator multiply denominator 5 into 3. Now 6 multiply 4 multiply by 6. 5 3 ja 15, 4 6 ja 24. Who is greater? Which is greater? 24 is greater, so it will have the open sided. The symbol will come less than. We should write here less than. Come to the next question. It is given in mixed fraction form. 4 7 4 ja 28, 28 plus 2 30 by 7. 3 8 3 ja 24, 24 plus 7 31 by 8. Again we have to multiply numerator to denominator. 30 into 8, 31 into 7. 8 0 0 8 3 ja 24, 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. Which is greater? 240. So greater than symbol is come here. Greater than. Okay student, and become is greater than. As don't write here as like that. The sided will be same lengthy. Okay student. Now the last question of that, 11 into 13, 12 into 13. 11 3 ja 33, 11 1 ja 11, 11 and 3 143. 12 into 13, 12 3 ja 12 into 13, 13 2 ja 26, 2 carry. 13 1 ja 13 and 2 15, 156. Which is greater than? 156 is greater than. 156 have the open sided of that, the symbol will come less than, so we should write here as less than. Okay student, come to the next question. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order. Ascending means the lowest term we should write as the fraction, the numerator of this, the different but denominator are same. If we have given the same denominator, we should write as to say the 1 by 9 is the smallest form. Okay, ascending order we should write here as 1 by 9 is small than, after that 3 after 4, and the greater is 6, and after that the greatest is 7 by 9. It means 3 by 1 by 9, 3 by 9, greater than 4 by 9, greater than 6 by 9, 1 by 9, greater than 3 by 9, greater than 4 by 9, greater than 6 by 9, greater than last term 7 by 9, greater than. Okay, in the next question, 2 by 5, 2 by 8, 2 by 10, 2 by 3, 2 by 7. The numerator has given the same. If we have given the same numerator, the number which have the largest term,